In recent years, we have seen a growing requirement around compliance, seeing customers dealing much more with, let's say, requirements around automating the parts with, let's say, paperless customs, with making sure that compliance checks are built in to our software, because we as an ISV, it's important for us that we can bring software that takes out of their hands the things that can be automated. Yeah, that's, I'd say in that area, compliance, automation around those areas, dealing with international shipping, compliance checks, paperless customs, things like that, has been an increase, especially in those areas. In recent years, that's a no-brainer, especially with nShift involved. We as an ISV, we specialize in solutions that cover functional requirements of a customer embedded in their ERP system. And we're not there to be experts in logistical topics. So that's exactly why we partner with nShift. So what a toolset cannot deliver is be the conversational partner for a customer to understand their needs, their requirements, to understand their business and what differentiates their business from a good business. So those conversations are gold for us, to have the nShift consultants involved to help with answering their questions from a background of expertise and knowledge and experience, rather than doing from a technical perspective. So I'd say tool set a partnership, and then that's what closes the deal with our customers, rather than bringing just a good solution that does something functionally very well. So that's the gold combination for us. Yeah. It often starts with customers just trying to find a way to integrate with their own carriers, the ones that are bringing out the goods or bringing them in. And it's usually a starting point for us to just do a discovery on what it is that you're working with now, where we can set it up in a way as is. Because for some context, many of our customers are implementing a new ERP system. For us, it's always Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. And they're trying to come from an as-is situation and try to at least maintain that. What separates a good setup, I would say, is take that as a starting point, but then later on go and improve that and say, based on data that you have in your system, you can make much more automated decisions, and you can have the system interact, or let's say act in a way that's much more intelligent to understand, well, if you're shipping this to this customer or this location, and it's these goods and it's these dimensions and these weights, then probably for you, we can make the most favorable decisions on which carrier to use, which service level to use, based on that data. And then you be in a position of spending more time on other aspects of the process, which are very important as well. Then use that automation leverage to gain that room for improvement. So it's usually a growth process that we see, where we see your customers starting out, and then within a year or 2 years' time, go from a functional setup to an actual good setup.